Welcome to the Application Delivery How-To series. My name is Christian. Today we are going to cover the topic of how to keep the bad guys out using IP reputation. Threat actors are continuously scanning and trying to attack applications accessible via the internet. When an application is hosted by the NSX Advanced Load Balancer, formerly known as RV Networks, we have many security features to identify and block these ever-evolving threats. And as RV is a product that can be deployed everywhere, the question is, how do these local instances of our application delivery platform get the threat intelligence feeds? And this is really where our RV cloud services come into play. To learn more about those, check out the how-to videos about RV cloud services. So back to the topic of IP reputation. It allows easy blocking of known threats via their IP address. It can be configured in our policies, our WAF, or our RV data script. Since the attackers are changing their IPs very quickly, it is important to stay up to date. A controller that is connected to the RV Cloud service is continuously served updates to all our threat feeds. IP reputation can be configured to be updated every 10 minutes, for example. So within the IP reputation database, there are lots of classes of IPs. With that, an admin can actually take granular action, for instance blocking spam sources or rate limit proxies. Now let's review how this is configured. Let's review how an application can make good use of our IP reputation database. For that, we first have to understand if we are up to date. So we go to Settings, Pulse, and we take a look at the opt-in settings for Pulse. Here IP reputation is enabled, which means we are getting the constant update stream for all the known bad IPs out there. Now, next up we want to deploy this in front of an application. So let's go to Applications and let's take this WAF demo VS here. In the edit screen of the WAF demo VS, we can go to Policies, and either in network policy or HTTP security policy, you can use the IP reputation database here. Let's select the system one, and also let's create rules. So as I said in the slides, we want to take spam sources out of the picture. So IP reputation, we take spam sources and actually deny those. And we wanted to rate limit Tor. So we also need to say, okay, this is a Tor proxy, and we rate limit this to 100 burst and 100 maximum. And like this, we created very distinct rules for handling these possible attributes in the IP reputation list. Of course, you can also create rules that would cover all threats. If you, for example, want to rate limit everything that is coming from the IP reputation database. And just like that, your application has gotten another layer of security by blocking known bad IP addresses from accessing it at all. Thanks for watching. Please check out our other exciting videos in our Application Delivery How-To series.